Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the API I have made for the assessment, and I have chosen the Pokemon API. I have been a big fan of the Pokemon world, and I thought to create a pokedex out of it, so it could be useful for the user in the future to search up their favorite Pokemon or anything they have seen and wants to know how powerful or what can they evolve into next and stuff. So here I'm gonna show you is that this is the colors of the Pokemon. For example, this is the red, the background is the red, the white is the text, the black is the button, and the blue is this blue circle. The type color is basically the each type uh, type color is basically the um, colors that shows on the type of each Pokemon. For example, if it's a fire, it shows orange. If it's psychic, like you can see there, it's pink, like the so and so. Um, and yeah, if it's another Pokemon other than psychic, it can show like this blue for water and like that for grass, green, like that and all. So this is the title part, title of the pokedex where you see in the start, or not in the start, over here, sorry. And some functions that I have found about this is that this label shows the very start, the Pokédex Pro at the very start of the app, and this is the font I have chosen to go with. The color, the initialize, if you notice, it showed initialize before starting the app in green. So yeah, and the loading bar, yeah, this is the loading bar where you saw when I click initialize, it just started loading to the next page, and that's where it brought us here. And few other things are the system is ready. Um, for some reason, I don't know why. I tried to get it, but it didn't really work. So I can't get rid of it either. If I got rid of it, it would just completely ruin my code. And the other thing is the weight and the height I have added. See, it shows the weight and the height of the Pokemon that you wanted to see. And here you can have, and this, see, sorry, this is the weight and this is the height of the Pokemon that you searched up on random. And here you can see it shows enter name or ID. You can either add the ID number of the Pokemon or you can have the name of the Pokemon. For example, I'm gonna go with Pikachu. And once I scan, it's gonna take a bit time, sorry. See, it shows Pikachu. And if I put a number, oh, this shows up since there's no Pokemon in that number. Hmm, what about 026? Maybe I had to use hashtag. Oh, um, I'm not sure why it's not showing up. But anyway, it's zero. Mhm. I think it was zero. Yep, it was a zero. So basically, you can add like that, and it comes on. And next is the next is the part where the stats. They show the stat bar. See, it shows in green. Each stat is like in green, and it thought it would be a cool addition to the app since others wanted to know the stats of each Pokemons. Then we had the evolution, the Pokemon. Each evolution of a certain Pokemon, Pikachu, Pichu, um, you can show another Pokemon as well. Scan it. Mm, there you go. It shows up Charmander and Charmeleon and Charizard. That's pretty much it with the app, to be honest. That's all I have. And yeah, then the scan random. When you click random, it shows another Pokemon like that. Thank you.